Hello everyone, welcome to Static GK quiz number 229. This video is aimed to help you with your state and central government exams like SSC, UPSC, state PSCs and banking and insurance related examinations like RRB, IBPS, etc. I'm Nikrisha from GKToday and I'll be taking you through this. Which component in light causes suppression of melatonin produced by the pineal gland? Correct answer is blue light. Research has found that exposure to blue light suppresses the production of melatonin more than any other type of light. It is believed that the shorter wavelengths in blue light is what causes the body to produce less melatonin because the body is more sensitive to this type of light. The combination of a red glass plate and a blue glass plate will transmit which of the following light? Correct answer is it won't transmit any light. This is because the red filter only allows red light through, the other colors of the spectrum are absorbed. This light will not be allowed by the blue glass because it only allows blue light and vice versa. As a result, no light will pass. Which among the following statement is correct about fluorescence? Correct answer is high energy photon is absorbed and electron is emitted. So fluorescence occurs when an atom or molecule relaxes through vibrational relaxation to its ground state after being electrically excited. The specific frequencies of excitation and emission are dependent on the molecule of atom. So what happens is the molecules have gathered a lot of energy and in order to release that energy they vibrate. This leads to high energy photons being absorbed and electrons being emitted. As a result, you see fluorescence. Cassiterite is an ore of which of the following? Correct answer is tin. It is tin oxide. Most part of cosmic rays that impinge on Earth's atmosphere are what? Correct answer is protons. Almost 90% of all the incoming cosmic ray particles are protons, almost 10% are helium nuclei, and slightly under 1% are heavier elements and electrons. Steel is an alloy consisting mostly of iron with a carbon content between 0.2 and 2.1 by weight. An increasing amount of iron will result in which of the following? Correct answer is increased hardening. So steel is an alloy of iron and carbon and sometimes other elements. Because of its high tensile strength and low cost, it is a major component used in buildings, infrastructure, tools, ships, automobiles, machines, appliances, and weapons. Who among the following proved that bacteria don't originate by spontaneous generation? Correct answer is Pasteur. Pasteur cultivated bacteria from the blood of animal infected with anthrax. When he inoculated animals with the bacteria, anthrax occurred, proving that bacteria was the cause of the disease. The blood pressure is denoted as following. Correct answer is systolic and diastolic pressure. So blood pressure is expressed in two numbers. The higher number is known as systolic pressure or the amount of force that is exerted against the artery walls during a heartbeat. The lower number is the diastolic pressure, which does the force exist while the heart is resting between beats, which is why when your blood pressure is measured, you get two numbers, the higher power and the lower one. Newton meters per second is represented as following. Correct answer is watt. 1 watt is the rate at which work is done when an object is moved at a speed of 1 meter per second against a force of 1 Newton. Which among the following is not an enzyme? Among the given options, the only non-enzyme is gastrin. It is a hormone which stimulates secretion of gastric acid or HCl by the parietal cells of the stomach and aids in gastric motility. That's all for today's quiz. Until the next video, goodbye.